Hello, we're here at SL Equipment today to look at this 8.5 by 25 foot concession trailer. Starting off with the front on the tongue here, it's a triple tube tongue. We'll have the jack, the coupler, safety chains, breakaway cable, breakaway box. Now the front is removable. There are 4 pins that you can put padlocks in to lock it up. This one is a special trailer. It has a porch on the front versus the rear. Down the driver's side, there is an exterior outlet. The outlet is GFI. Spring loaded, so it closes itself. We have 2 8 lugs. Center caps on these wheels are going to be removable. They're just rubber. That way you can grease the axles. They are radial tires, so they're ST 235 ADR 16s. There's exterior lights on both sides of the flip up. There's a door coming in from the porch on the front, as well as a rear entry door on the back. We've got a license plate bracket and light in the back. All the exterior DOT lighting is LED. Now looking at the flip ups, they'll have their counters. Each one of these counters will have these pins going down. When you press them all, it'll fold back down. They finished it in the same black aluminum as the body, and of course it's got the rounded edge on it. There's also an outside plug on the passenger side of the trailer up towards the front. And I'll go in from the porch. So we got RV style lock on here. We'll open it up. There's a recessed step onto the porch. We got another GFI on here. The door has a safety flyaway chain on it, so the wind can't just take off of the door. When we first walk in on the left, I see the included power cable. I got the 12-volt battery charger, and fuse panel. And then up top is the main panel. All the light switches are located right here when you first walk in. It does have aluminum mill finish on the interior. Back door, same. It's got a safety chain on it. We've also got some exterior switches here on the back. Now each plug is on an independent circuit. Of course, we'll have our lights up top. For the flooring, we do have the silver ATP. And then the boxes on the inside that we see would be the fender well boxes. With the RV style flush locks, you will have a handle lock on the outside for the handle itself, but there's a red switch on the inside, which is your deadbolt. The front facing door also has a bar lock that you can put a padlock across. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a nice day.